HBAR is testing a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just made another 43% this week in terms of trading, as well as this whole dip opportunity. Our Telegram channel has absolutely killed it. If you guys are still thinking about joining, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another HBAR analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see from yesterday's moveset, we saw a very nice bounce on our support level, but I mentioned the fact that it's going to be very crucial for us to try to break above these exponential moving averages before we consider a possible bullish case scenario. Now you can see since that video, we actually did get a very nice wick opportunity, and immediately after a strong bearish engulfing candle, and once again we are hovering right back into our 0.057 support level. Now of course we are trading off weekend volume, so we shouldn't be expecting any sort of larger moves until of course Monday morning, but this is what I'm going to be paying attention to see whether or not HBAR can finally break out from this larger downtrend. Assuming we get above the 0.057 level and use it as support, the main target, which remains of course on the 4-hour and lower time frames, is going to be 0.063. If we can somehow break above that level with this W formation that's currently being made, we can try to break above, use that level as support, and then finally get that very nice reversal. But in order for us to continue with a somewhat bullish case scenario on HBAR, we would have to remain at 0.073 and try to trade above that specific level. Now, of course, a lot of you guys in the comments have been mentioning that there's a ton of bearish news, and once again, guys, I do not look at news articles. I don't even care about news. I'm only a technical analysis trader, so I only look at what the charts are telling us. The news tends to follow regardless, of course. Even at 0.08, we didn't have any sort of bearish news, but I was looking for that shorting opportunity and letting you guys know in Telegram that this whole moveset was going to be very nice to short. That's exactly what played out, and as of right now, we are looking for the same sort of breakout formation. Now, of course, if we assume we break 0.057 and use this level as resistance, the larger time frame that I would be looking for a possible buy opportunity remains at 0.046. The question, of course, would become why that specific level, and the reason why is because you'll notice that this was the level we saw that short squeeze opportunity. I mentioned this short squeeze many times, but you can see as soon as we broke above that level, you'll see two specific candlesticks right there. These candlesticks didn't have any sort of wick opportunities to the downside, and these were pushed by algo bots, pushing HBAR all the way up from the squeeze pattern. This is why I'm looking for this pattern formation to complete, and zooming out on the chart here, that would be a perfect area of take profit as well. Now this of course means that we would possibly just see a straight move to the downside, which shouldn't really happen in my opinion, since the fact that we are so oversold across the cryptocurrency pairs. Assuming we do get a nice breakout formation and then the retest opportunity, it would look something like this. The main deciding factor for us from the bullish / bearish case scenario remains at 0.073, and this is why I have advised you guys, for those of you that have been shorting HBAR, to look to take some profits because of the fact that this is now a major daily support. We hit this take profit level perfectly. A lot of you guys sent me some DMs showing me your results, so congratulations to those of you that took that trade in Telegram, as well as the fact that they have been watching my videos. But assuming right now, even on the lower time frames, you'll notice that we are seeing a break of the exponential moving averages. Of course, the lower time frames are very manipulated, so we can only do so much with this information, but you'll notice the fact that after a very long time on HBAR, this is the first time we have found somewhat of a consolidation zone. The last time we found a consolidation zone, of course, we failed to break above those EMAs, which was an easy short towards the downside because of the fact that we couldn't break above. But now we actually broke above and are now using the same level as support. This is why I'm looking for somewhat of a relief rally at this current position, as well as the fact that even on the daily time frame, we will still have to test our 20 exponential exponential moving average, because you can see that we have been trading below the 9 EMA and using it as resistance this whole time, but the 20 has yet to be tested as well. If you pay attention to where the 20 currently is, it is right above that daily support level, which is now turning into resistance, which is why I'm expecting somewhat of a wick opportunity before that continuation on HBAR. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.